Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello kids. Now we have new missions. There are three subject matter among us. The first is friction, the second is straight lines and curve, and then the last one two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures. Now we start with frictions. Do you remember the form of frictions? Miss has a circle shape and cuts it in half. Then what is the shape of the fraction? 1/2. Okay, so each piece measures 1/2. From the two shapes, which piece show 1/2? Next, Miss have a square shape, then cut it in thirds. So what is the size of each piece? 1/3. So each piece measure 1/3. Okay, now from these two shapes, which piece show 1/3? And now, Miss have a diamond shape, then cut it into 4 pieces. So what is the size of each piece? 1/4. So each piece measure 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, now Miss have two shapes. From these two shapes, which piece show 1/4? So the conclusion for fraction, each piece can be expressed as a fraction if they have the same size. Now we go to the second subject matter, that is straight lines and curve. Before we go to the cafeteria room, we must read the instruction and task. Now, you can count how much straight lines at the outside part of the room and then curve on the shape of the tables in the cafeteria. For straight lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's count the curve. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, the cafeteria room have 8 straight lines and 25 curves. And the conclusion for straight lines and curve. The first is a line that extends to both sides till infinity and has no curve is called a straight line. The second, a curve is that bends, changes its direction at least once, and a line without any sharp turns. Now the last subject matter, that is two-dimensional figures. The forms number 1 square, the second is rectangle, number 3 circle, and then the last one triangle. Now we have new mission. The objective to find the number of sides and corners in two-dimensional shapes. Number 1, how much the sides and corners from square? Okay, so square have 4 sides and 4 corners. Number 2, how much the sides and corners from rectangle? So, rectangle have 4 sides and 4 corners. Number 3, how much the sides and corners from circle? Okay, circle only have one side of infinity and one corner. And then the last one, how much the sides and corners from triangle? Yeah, triangle only have 3 sides and 3 corners. Now we continue to three-dimensional figures. In here, Miss have cube and cuboid. In three-dimensional figures, have flat surface, edge, and corner. Example of objects from the cube is Rubik and dice. The examples of objects from cuboid is cardboard, and cupboard or cabinets. Okay, the conclusion, the first is a two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat plane figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and width, or sides and curves. And then the second, a three-dimensional shape also has tip, flat surface, edge, and curves. Okay kids, mission complete. Thank you for today. I hope all of you enjoy with learning math. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.